Welcome to my channel Wheelie Smart. Introduction to Headlight Restoration. Over time, car headlights can turn yellow and foggy due to oxidation, UV exposure, and road debris. This not only dims their brightness but also affects your vehicle's appearance and safety. Restoring them is simple, affordable, and can make your car look brand new. With a few household items or a headlight restoration kit, you can achieve crystal clear headlights in under an hour. This guide explains the step-by-step process, ensuring every car owner can follow along and get professional results without breaking the bank. Why headlights turn yellow? Headlights are typically made of polycarbonate plastic, which is durable but prone to degradation. UV rays from the sun break down the protective coating, causing oxidation. Dirt, grime, and chemicals from the road further cloud the surface. Yellowed headlights reduce light output, making nighttime driving riskier. Cleaning them restores clarity, improves visibility, and enhances your car's aesthetic appeal, potentially increasing its resale value. Regular maintenance can prevent future yellowing, saving you time and effort. Materials needed for cleaning. To clean your headlights, gather basic supplies: dish soap, water, microfiber cloths, painter's tape, and a mild abrasive like toothpaste or baking soda. For better results, consider a headlight restoration kit with sandpaper, 800-2000 grit, polishing compound, and UV sealant. These items are affordable and widely available, making this a budget-friendly DIY project for any car owner. Step-by-step cleaning process. Start by washing the headlights with dish soap and water to remove surface dirt. Next, apply painter's tape around the headlights to protect your car's paint. If using toothpaste, spread a thin layer over the lens and scrub gently with a cloth in circular motions for 5–10 minutes. For tougher oxidation, use wet sandpaper from a restoration kit, starting with a lower grit, 800, and progressing to a finer grit, 2000, for a smooth finish. Rinse frequently to check progress. After sanding, apply a polishing compound to restore shine, buffing with a clean cloth until clear. Applying a protective coating. To prevent future yellowing, apply a UV-resistant sealant from a restoration kit or a car wax. Spread a thin layer evenly across the headlight and let it dry as per the product instructions. This protective layer shields against UV rays and environmental damage, keeping your headlights clear for months. Regular waxing every few months can extend their clarity, ensuring long-lasting results. Maintenance tips for long-lasting results. To maintain your restored headlights, wash them regularly with soap and water to remove dirt. Avoid parking in direct sunlight for extended periods, as UV exposure accelerates oxidation. Reapply wax or sealant every 3–6 months, depending on your climate and driving conditions. Inspect your headlights monthly for early signs of yellowing, addressing them promptly to avoid heavy restoration work. Conclusion. Cleaning yellowed headlights is an easy, rewarding task that enhances your car's look and safety. With minimal tools and effort, you can achieve professional-grade results at home. Regular maintenance ensures your headlights stay clear, making every drive safer and more stylish. Try this today and see the difference sparkling headlights make. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.